Okay, today all you're gonna have to do, we're doing today, guys, is we're doing this maze, and it is a maze on simplifying radicals. So I'm gonna get you started just to kind of refresh your memory, and then you guys will go from there. So it says to begin here. So we need to simplify the square root of 24 first. Okay, so I'm gonna take a scratch sheet of paper, and I'm gonna try to do simplify square root of 24. Remember, we're simplifying, we need to break it down. We use the numbers 2, 3, 5, and 7. So the biggest number that is divisible, or the biggest number that goes into 24 is the number 3. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. We can break down 8 with the number 2. 8 divided by 2 leaves with 4. And we can break down the number 4 using 2, and that's going to leave us 2 as well. Once you've broken everything down, you can't break it down anymore. You're looking at the outside numbers, and you're looking for your pairs. So I have a pair of 2's here, a 2 here, and a 3 here. So that's not a pair. Remember, our pairs become one. They get married. They move outside the house. And then everyone else who's alone stays inside. So I have a 3 as well as a 2. And what do we do between those two numbers? We multiply. So my final answer is 2 square root of 6. That's my answer. So on my maze, 2 square root 5, no, 2 square root 6. So I'm going this direction. So the next problem I need to work is square root of 200. So let's try to work that out. So square root of 200. Again, we're using the numbers 2, 3, 5, and 7. The biggest number that goes into 200 is 5. That goes into it. 200 divided by 5 is 40. We can break that down also using 5. 40 divided by 5 is 8. Break that down with a 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And we can break that down with a 2 as well, and that'll leave us with 2. So again, we can no longer break down. So we're going to look for our pairs. I have a pair of 2 here's. A pair of 2 there. And a pair of 5's here. Remember, our pairs get married. They become one. They move outside. So I have a 2 outside, and I also have a 5. Okay, those two numbers are going to be multiplied together. And I have a 2 all alone inside the radical. So 2 times 5 is 10. Square root 2, that's my answer. So on the maze, I'm then moving this direction, and you're going to continue the maze. So finish it up, and you guys are going to leave it with the sub. I will take it for a grade when I get back, and I'll check them on Monday. Please attach your scratch sheet of paper to your worksheet. Thanks.